30 million people use this app to think. On July 16th, Google changed its name from NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook. But the name is the least significant thing that has changed. Google has given every notebook its own secure cloud computer. It writes code now. It can run it against your own sources. Real analysis becomes possible now with charts, tables, spreadsheets built on the spot. That sits on top of everything the tool already did. Audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, slides. Notebooks now live inside the Gemini app with search AI mode to follow. Every link you have shared still resolves. Nothing has been lost. This is what changed and what it means for the way you work. And this is something that we're going to be exploring throughout today's video. Now, the primary focus as to why we're covering Gemini Notebook once again is because of all the new advancements that have been integrated directly inside Notebook. Now it has so many new features, so it's really hard to navigate and understand what has changed and what you can actually do with the new features. Starting things off with probably the biggest update and one that really changes the direction of NotebookLM going forward. 3 years ago, NotebookLM started as a small Google experiment called Project Tailwind, with one simple goal, and that was to help people learn faster from their own information. Since then, this has been a project that has evolved beyond that. Google added audio overview, you have video overviews, interactive study tools, reports, mind maps, and a ton of other features, turning it basically from an AI notebook into a full research companion. And now it's becoming part of an even bigger ecosystem. You can already access your notebooks directly inside the Gemini app, and Google says that they're coming to AI mode in search as well. So Google ended up deciding that the Notebook LM name doesn't really represent what this product actually has become. Notebook LM is officially now Gemini Notebook. And to be clear, this isn't completely a new product. It's the same Notebook LM that you already know. Your notebooks, links, and existing work aren't going anywhere. And you've probably already heard of this because this was an announcement that came out about a month ago now. It's really Google bringing Notebook LM under the Gemini brand and signaling that it's becoming a much bigger part of its overall ecosystem. And there's a lot of new features that are coming now from this update. Everybody has got a product idea sitting in their Notes app. Almost nobody tests one because for years, testing one meant ordering 200 units upfront and hoping you guess right. That's backwards. Print on demand flips it. The product gets made after someone buys it, not before. Printify is where you set that up. Over 1,300 products, no minimum order, and it's free to start. So take that one dumb idea you're weirdly confident about and put it on a mug, or a tote, or a poster, or a phone case. Same design, different product. And none of it is sitting in your spare room. You can connect it to Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, or Printify's pop-up store if you don't want a website. Then Printify prints and ships each order. You're not short on ideas. You're short on the tested ones. Use the links in the description below and go test one. And thanks to Printify for sponsoring today's video. And with the launch of the new rebrand to Gemini Notebook, there is an update that also came alongside with it, which is probably the one that matters the most technically. Google is starting to give every Gemini notebook its own secure cloud computer. And that sounds abstract, but what it actually means is that Gemini Notebook can now write and execute code natively while working with your sources. So instead of only reading through documents and answering questions, it can perform much deeper analysis on the information that you have already uploaded. For example, you can give it a financial report, a research paper, survey data, or a bunch of tables and ask it to actually analyze the data, calculate trends, compare results, and generate things like charts, tables, and spreadsheets from it. And because it's working inside the notebook, that analysis stays grounded in the sources you've actually provided. But let me just showcase this in action. This is a prompt that I'm going to send in inside my notebook where I'm asking it to compare every AI model across all benchmarks in these sources. Use code to normalize the benchmark results where necessary, calculate each model's average relative performance, and a couple of other things. But essentially, this is something that will showcase this new update. It's going through all of these different individual sources that we have collected from the web. And this is where this new update is going to actually allow it to pull out the numerical data then use the secure cloud computer to write and execute code to actually analyze each and every individual source, which is definitely a game changer. It's essentially making Notebook much stronger in terms of its capabilities. It's not just looking for answers anymore that are already written in these documents. It's actually going to calculate the new results from the data based off the specific analysis or prompt that we have provided. You can see that right now it is executing code to actually help us with whatever we had asked for, which was to calculate the references from all of these different sources. It is going to compare the models, it's going to normalize the scores wherever it's needed, find which models perform the best in different categories, and look for trends or outliers across any of these different data sets or sources that we have provided. And then it can take those calculations and then turn it into tables and visualizations, which you'll see in a second. This is where it is going to allow us to get a better idea. And instead of just me writing or pulling all this information into Excel or writing Python myself, Gemini Notebook can essentially do all of this analysis directly inside the notebook. And the important part is that all of this is still grounded in the sources that I gave. It is going to be able to use all of this and execute based off of that. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. There we go. We have the calculations and it gives us an analysis on that. So this is what Google means by giving every notebook its own computer. NotebookLM used to manually help you understand your sources, but now it can actually compute and analyze on top of them, which you can see over here. And something else to note is that this is a feature that is fully rolled out to all pro users. It's not just restricted to ultra users. It is something that every pro user of Gemini is able to access now. So let me give you an idea of what you can actually do with it, because this goes far beyond just summarizing documents. For learning, you can give it your lecture notes and ask it to create multiple quizzes that progressively get harder, or even turn these notes into formatted PDF study guides with a practice quiz. You can also give it something like a class syllabus and simply ask it to find and add all your linked resources as sources. Now, let's say you have a business. This is where things get pretty interesting. Obviously, this is a really simple, condensed sheet of a revenue tracker, and essentially, I have provided it to the notebook, and you can see that over here. And what you can do is something like asking it to analyze the company's revenue performance, like calculate the revenue growth across every product line and plot the trends. You can specifically say to obviously get you the textual response, but also get you visualization, like creating charts based off the data that you provided. Or you can even give a marketing brief, have it research the competitors on the web, and then recommend how you should change your messaging based on what it finds. This is essentially going to unlock a lot of different sorts of ways for you to use research in your day to day life. So you can see that it used the computer to obviously give me the calculation, but it has generated 3 high fidelity artifacts in the studio panel, which you can see on the right hand side. And it has given us charts to visualize the revenue performance analysis. It has also given us the product growth rates and even an AI product analysis MD that talks about everything in a condensed sheet. Next thing that has changed is something that users have been asking for forever, and that is a better way to organize your notebooks. Google has launched collections. Think of collections more like a Spotify playlist or a photo album than traditional folders. Because instead of putting a notebook into one fixed folder, you can add the same notebook to multiple different collections at once. So, for example, I could have one collection for AI research, another one for my YouTube videos, and another one for model testing, and the same notebook can actually live in more than one of them. And if you don't want to use collections at all, nothing changes because you can still keep everything inside the normal My Notebook tab. It's pretty simple, and it's an update that is going to help you if you want to manage a lot of your notebooks. It's going to make the entire workspace a lot easier to manage. And Google says that collections are rolling out to all users, so you should start seeing this new tab in your account. And guys, this isn't just code execution, and this is not just a simple update, because Notebook LM, or sorry, the Notebook team now, sorry, I keep confusing the names, but Notebook team has said that the entire upgraded notebook experience is obviously rolled out to pro users, but they also will be able to experience improvements throughout the whole workflow. First, you have it so that the chat itself has been upgraded, obviously, to use powerful models. the newer Gemini models. So it's supposed to be smarter and more thoughtful when reasoning across your sources. And that's obviously due to the knowledge cutoff of the newer models. There are also completely new outputs. Notebook can now create things like charts, PDFs, spreadsheets, images, and other finished deliverables directly from your research. But probably the most interesting addition is the Agentic Research feature. Instead of coming in with all of your research already collected and organized, you can literally start with a loose idea and a few questions. Gemini Notebook can then take that idea, research it, gather relevant information, analyze what it finds, and then helps you turn it into something useful. Now, speaking of that new studio feature, if you click on data table, you can actually get a pretty detailed output based off of what you described. And this is going to be able to tailor that data output based off of whatever you are prompting, like creating a table with major findings in the research, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can even say something like output the new calc, the future calculations of growth, and then you can go ahead and generate it. You can even select all the sources that you want it to actually tailor that output based off of, and then you can click on generate, and then in a couple of minutes you will have that generation. You can also click on each and every of these individual studio features, and you'll see that there's a lot of ways for you to customize the outputs now with these studio features, which is definitely a really great benefit. Rather than just simply clicking on it and then having it generated instantly, this is where you can add in more flexibility into what you want it to output for that specific studio feature. So this is giving you a lot more flexibility. You can even track your analytics now. You can share it with your teammates. So this is where you can even copy your notebook and then have other people access that basic notebook. So this would be actually really helpful if you're a student and you want to share your notes around to other users. But there we go. We have our data table that we can actually visualize. And this is something that you can then obviously export to Sheets, and then you can even download it. So this is something that it was able to do now, the future revenue growth projections by product line. And then it is also giving us a reference of what our total revenue will look like. So that is a really cool, nifty feature that they have added. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's essentially a rundown on the new Gemini Notebook update, which has truly revolutionized this application even further. And I love what they have done. It's only going to evolve even further from here. And it's not just a simple research assistant, because they have essentially turned it into a powerful workspace that can obviously research, but it can now analyze and create for you. And it's something that's going to get even better as these Gemini models get better. Hopefully they do, because we all know right now they are definitely in a pit. But I'll leave all the links that I use in today's video in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at the second channel. Also, go ahead and take a look at the World of AI Vibe Coding Platform and Benchmark. Make sure you also take a look at the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys really shortly. Peace out, fellas.